Friday, the 7th of February 2020. Vocabulary. That is why. That is the reason why. That is why. That is the reason why. Wala tey ci ñaari baat yu am solo la ñëw ci anglais bi muy that is why wala nga ne that is why wala nga ne that is the reason why wala that is the reason why mooy looloo tax maanaam daal that is why wala that is why mooy looloo tax mooy c'est pourquoi that is the reason why mooy itam looloo tax lay tekki c'est pourquoi. Example sentences. I was sick yesterday mooy démb dama feebaroon. That is why I didn't go to work. Loolu moo tax liggéeyu ma woon. I was sick yesterday. That is why I didn't go to work. You are my best friend. That is why I always tell you my secrets. Ok mooy yow yaay sama meilleur xarit quoi. En fait tu es mon meilleur ami, c'est pourquoi je te dis toujours mes secrets. Voilà. You are my best friend. That is why I always tell you my secrets. We had so many things to do. That is the reason why we couldn't go to the meeting. mooy dañoo bari woon lu doon def moo tax mënuñu woon a dem ca ndaje ma. We had so many things to do. That is the reason why we couldn't go to the meeting. The car is very expensive. That's the reason why I cannot buy it. mooy oto bi dafa cher trop loolu tax mënuma ko jënd. The car is very expensive. mooy oto bi dafa cher trop. That's the reason why I cannot buy it. loolu moo tax mënuma koo jënd. xam nga boo ne maanaam boo ko contraire da naan that is the reason why wala nga ne that is why waaye man koo contraire ne that's why wala nga ne that's the reason why comme ni ma ko defee ci phrase bu mujj bi daal dañ koo contracté buñ ko contracté wala nga naan that is why man nga ne that's why wala that's why. Ok voilà. Ok toujours ci